Hello, привет, 你好. So this is another Raspberry Pi project. As you can see, we compiled program, load up the executable file, and now we get a connection for the LED lights, and then began to blink. So basically, the reason is this light has red, yellow, and blue. So with a different combination, this can generate different colors, as you can see. So which is nice, provides a possibility that we can generate different colors. As you can see, the light changing and then the program executing. Thanks for watching. Пока-пока.
Was ist geschehen? Sag mir, wo die Mädchen sind. Männer nahmen sie geschwind.